Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel Automation Control Solutions. I am Dr. Samo. Now we start working on PLC hardware. Yes, PLC hardware using a PLC trainer kit. This is a PLC trainer. With this trainer, we will learn to upload ladder diagrams and analyze the results. The model of PLC is Delta DVP14ES is used in this trainer. Delta PLC DVP14ES is directly supplied by an AC 220 voltage source. However, an external 24 DC volts power supply is needed to operate output 24 DC voltage devices. Product specification. Brand, Delta. Input phase, AC single phase. Model name, number DVP14ES. Current, 2.2 amperes. Power, 120 watts. The model is 14ES because it has a total number of 14 pins, 8 input pins, and 6 output pins. It has 6 outputs, as Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, and Y5. This trainer contains output devices like one 24 DC magnetic contactor, 3 relays, 2 24 volts DC LEDs. Pin Y0 is connected to operate 24 DC magnetic contactor. Pin Y1 is connected to operate 24 DC relay 1. Pin Y2 is connected to operate 24 DC relay 2. Pin Y3 is connected to operate 24 DC relay 3. Pin Y4 is connected to operate 24 DC white LED. Pin Y5 is connected to operate 24 DC blue LED. Relay 1 operates AC 220 voltage light bulb. Relay 2 operates AC 220 voltage buzzer, and Relay 3 operates AC 220 voltage green LED. PLC trainer has 8 inputs, as X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, and X7. Pin X0 is connected to a 3-pin limit switch at a normally closed N.C state. Pin X1 is connected to a 3-pin limit switch at the normally open N.O state. Pin X2 is connected to a 2-pins limit switch at the normally open N.O state. Pin X3 is connected to the yellow push button with the normally open state. Pin X4 is connected to the blue push button with the normally open state. Pin X5 is connected to the selector switch for position 1 with the normally open state. Pin X6 is connected to the selector switch for position 2 with the normally open state. The selector switch provides 3 options: 1. Position 1 is selected, or 2. Position 2 is selected, or nothing is selected. Delta DVP14ES PLC has 2 communication ports, COM1 and COM2. COM1 can be used to download programs, or RS-232 communication. COM2 supports RS-485 Modbus communication. To download the latter program in PLC, a PLC programming adapter cable is required. This is Delta PLC cable serial RS-232 DB928P mini DIN male connector PLC programming adapter cable. This programming cable allows to use bridge or connectivity between the PC and serial port interface. This is a USB to serial RS-232 converter adapter cable. The USB to RS-232 serial line is a USB converter that allows you to connect your USB devices to RS-232 serial ports. External power is required to operate output DC devices. This is a 24 DC power supply with 20 amperes. This was the complete introduction of PLC hardware trainer. Now let go for software installation and the first program run. I hope you liked it. Now subscribe it, and share it with your friends for more informative videos. After your subscription, let's us move further. Okay, let's go. Now go to the website as given here. After opening website, select the product category as Industrial Automation. Select product subcategory as PLC Programmable Logic Control. Select product series as DVPES series. Press Submit. Scroll up and down and download an updated version of ISP Soft. Again, scroll up and down and download an updated version of COM Manager. Wait to complete the downloading of software files. These softwares are free to use. We are thankful to Delta for providing us with such a platform for learning. After downloading, install both software as administrator. Follow the instructions during installation. After completion of installation, the following icons will appear on your desktop. Let's write our first PLC ladder code to operate white and blue LEDs. First of all, we have to create communication with PLC. For that, run COM Manager. Sometimes it runs but is hidden in the system tray. Open the system tray and double-click it. A COM Manager window will appear. Also check port number from the device manager. Here we have COM10. Now click on the Add button in the COM Manager window to create a new communication driver. A driver properties window will appear. Set the given parameters. To check the functionality of the driver, click on Auto Detect and press OK. If it is working fine, you will see the message that detecting is successful. Else you have to update the driver. Now press OK and again press OK. A COM Manager window will appear with new driver and name is driver 1. Now minimize it. Now run ISP Soft software. From File menu select New. Assign project name as first PLC. Select controller type as DVP. Select PLC type ES/EC. You can change the path if you want. Press OK. Right-click on Program icon and select New. Assign PO name as first PLC. Don't use space. Select Task, Cyclic Task. Check Active button. Select Protection as None. Select Language as Ladder Diagram, LD. Press OK. Take contact input in Network 1. Assign name X3 as input. Remember X3 is yellow button. Take coil input in Network 1. Assign name Y4 as output. Remember Y4 is a 24 DC volts white LED. Go to Edit menu, and click on Add Network, after. Network 2 will appear. Take contact input in Network 2. Assign name X4 as input. Remember X4 is a blue button. Take coil input in Network 2. Assign name Y5 as output. Remember Y5 is a 24 DC volts blue LED. Now ladder diagram is ready. Go to Tools menu and select Communication Settings. Communication Settings window will appear. Select Driver 1 and press OK. Go to PLC and select Transfer and then Download. New window will appear. Select Transfer again and then close it. Select On Mode. Select Online Mode. Now run PLC by pressing Run icon, Run icon, Run icon. Done. Now on Trainer, press the yellow button to switch on the white LED. The cables are connected to PC for downloading the ladder diagram to PLC. After downloading, you can remove the cables, because there is no need of cables. The PLC will run itself. Here, we can see that pressing the blue button, blue LED is switched on. Here, we can see that pressing the yellow button, white LED is switched on. This is very interesting. Task is completed. Thanks.